Hi, Kyler here from FlexArm. In this week's Robotics and Manufacturing, we'll talk about one of the concerns that a lot of companies have when deciding whether or not to implement robotics in their shop, especially if they're a smaller scale manufacturer who has a lot of different parts, lower quantities, and that is the amount of engineering time or setup time needed to actually implement the robot in their shop. So what we've done here at FlexArm to alleviate that concern for us and kind of minimize that time needed to get the robot running on the next job is designed for adjustability. So an example of that adjustability would be in our suction cups here. We have the ability to add or remove suction cups depending on the part weight. We can move them around to any of these different holes on the plate depending on where the pickup locations are. Also in our parallel gripper, we have two different size notches here for the different diameter pins that we run. We can also slide the fingers along this rail for different widths of parts and different things like that. They line up here with our part presenter, our gravity feed for the pins. This can be slid back and forth for the different size, the different lengths of pins that we run. We can also combine two of them by removing two of these pieces so we can get parts that are up to 12 inches long down to an inch long, all in that same part presenter. One of our machine actuation components, the button pusher that hits the cycle start button. We can move this from machine to machine to push the button and start the cycle. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or are looking to implement robotics into your shop, give us a call. Our number is 1-800-837-2503.